topic about myself. Hi, everyone. Good morning all of you today. I'm very glad to stand in front of you, and the aim that I have stood here is only to suggest lecture about myself, so listen to me carefully. My name is Ahmed, but the people call me Ahmed White. I live in Hargeisa with my parents. I was born in Berbera. I am 29 years old. My mother is alive, but sorry, my father's passed away. I am student at Dhawaan Academy. I study English and computer science. I can't speak English very well, because I am beginner, but in the near future I hope to speak like native speaker. I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters, and they are nice. Finally, I interested in watching TV, reading novels and swimming. Thanks for your listening. Goodbye.